Hello learners, I'm teacher Jonathan. Welcome to EasyElimu Learning Simplified. In our lesson for today, grade 4 mathematics, we are on volume, and today we'll be piling cuboids. And in our previous lesson, we calculated or we learned how to look for the volume of cubes. And to start up is a question. How do we work out the volume of cubes and cuboid? Join me on our table, and in our pairs, we identify what we have on our table. On our table, we have number of cubes. Now, for us to form a cuboid, we have to arrange these cubes. Now, can we arrange in an arrangement of 9 cubes? 9 cubes. We can arrange them. We can arrange them in an arrangement of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not 9, 8 cubes, sorry. 8 cubes. We arrange them in an arrangement of 8 cubes. That is the first layer. The first layer that we have formed in our arrangement. Our first layer of 8 cubes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Those are the 8 cubes. That is layer 1. Remember, we said if we want to stack another layer, we add on top. So on top, we pile another layer of just the same number. And before we pile that layer, remember this, a cuboid, this side, one side is shorter than the other one. So after arranging our cubes, we have a shorter side and this other one is a longer side. So this is a rectangular arrangement. So these are cuboid. So we arrange the second layer. This is the second layer. Our second layer comes here. This becomes our second layer. We are piling up cubes. So this is our second layer. Remember, a pile, or when we are piling, cubes, we said a layer is made up of unit cubes. And a layer plus another layer, it forms a stack of cubes. So here is a stack of cuboid. So we have the first layer, the second layer. We have formed the ground layer, second layer. We can also add another layer of cubes to form a cuboid. We can also add another layer like that. In our groups currently, as you work, make sure everybody participates. It's not you alone. Now, we have 3 layers. The first layer, the middle, and the downwards. The first, the second, and the third. Those are 3 layers made of cubes. And these cubes are formed a cuboid. So this arrangement is in form of a cuboid. And what have we arranged? Cubes to form a cuboid. And then now this cuboid is of 3 layers. Now this is what we have formed. This is a sample of what we have formed. We have arranged. They are like this. We have something of this sort. Remember, there are how many layers? There are 3 of them. So we have 1, and the second one, and the third one. Remember, we have that. That is our format. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the layers that we have arranged on our table. And this is how we form a pile of cubes, a pile of a cuboid. This is how we form a pile of our cuboid. arrangement of cubes to form a cuboid form. Then after that, now after the first layer, add another layer, and our layers were of 8 cubes each. They were of 8 cubes each. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4, the first one, and the second one 4, and they were 3 layers. This is how we arrange our cuboid to form, or we arrange our cubes to form a cuboid. Now, this is the task I would like us to form. The task that I would like us to work out on, is, now use the cubes, using the cubes, kindly form different stacks. Using the cuboids, using the cubes, form different stacks of cuboids. Now the cuboids are of the following layers: 1A, 4 layers, B, 5 layers. Form 5 layers using the cubes to form a cuboid, and then the second number 2, just you do what? You draw a stack of 16 cuboids. Draw a stack of 16 cubes forming a cuboid. Those are our 2 questions. And the first one is you just use the cubes to make an arrangement, and you are arranging 2 cuboids with 4 layers. The cubes, they will to form a cuboid with 4 layers, 3 layers. And the next one, you draw a stack of 16 cubes forming a cuboid. You will arrange them to form a cuboid. That is the end of our lesson. Remember to do more practice. Just try to arrange the cubes that you have in your house, forming different layers, different cubes, different cuboids in your home. See you next time.